Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crypto ledger. First, select a trusted hardware wallet, such as a Ledger or Trezor, to secure your digital assets. Once you have your device, carefully unbox it and review all included instructions. Next, connect your new hardware wallet to your computer using the provided USB cable. This initial connection is crucial for the setup process. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to begin setting up your new device. You'll need to create a strong PIN, usually between 4 and 8 digits, to protect your wallet. This PIN will be required for daily access. Most importantly, write down your unique 24-word recovery phrase on the provided card. This phrase is your master key. Keep it extremely safe and never share it with anyone. Next, install the official desktop application for your specific Ledger device on your computer. This software allows you to manage your assets. Within the application, you can add specific cryptocurrency apps to your hardware wallet for the coins you wish to store. Always remember to verify your receiving address directly on your device's screen before confirming any transactions to ensure security. Maintaining your crypto ledger's security is paramount. Always store your 24-word recovery phrase in a highly secure, private location, ideally offline and away from your device. Regularly update your device's firmware to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. This helps protect against potential vulnerabilities. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Staying updated and organized keeps your crypto safe and your life simpler.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.